Welcome to my channel The Happy Gadgets. We are here with another video, and today's video is all about home and kitchen gadgets, and you can also buy these gadgets. Links to all the gadgets in the description box, so stay tuned. Multi-layer folding clothes drying laundry basket. This portable laundry basket is so useful. It can be used to dry clothes or socks quickly and avoiding pleasant smell when they dry. The basket is wide and you can lay clothes flat on it. It can also used to dry shoes or pillows and other stuff. The hook is buckle design, strong and reliable. It can be easily folded like this to save storage space. Shower wall mount phone holder box. This gadget allows you to watch things in your phone in the shower. It's got a sticky pad in the back which is placed on a wall. Open it up and put your phone inside, and the case will protect your phone from the water. Then you can watch your favorite TV shows or movies in the shower or bath. This is something you might find really useful. What would you guys watch in the shower if you had the choice? Magnetic refillable plastic wrap dispenser with cutter. I wish I knew about this sooner. I have been fighting with plastic wrap for years. It is suitable for different sizes of household plastic wrap. It gives clean cut every time, no more having to struggle with bunched up wrap. You can also attach it to the wall with adhesive tape. I use it to cut aluminium foil too. Foldable draining basket cutting board. This foldable cutting board is essential thing for outdoor lovers. It becomes a storage and washing basket when the bottom is completely pops up. Simply press the handles to fold and then it becomes a traditional cutting board. The capacity of basket is large, so you can wash vegetables all at once. After cutting, then just press this plug at the bottom to drain the water away. It is especially suitable for outdoor needs like traveling and camping. Amazing pants rack. I use the pants rack that my husband bought for me, so I never need to fold the pants. It can hold 6 pairs of pants at the same time and can be folded like this to save space. My wardrobe is never such organized, and it's convenient to find pants every day. Faucet storage rack sponge holder. I just found out this kind of rack can be faucet at home. You put towels and rag balls in it and water will drain automatically. After having it, the sink area is organized and clean. I never worried about the sponge. Electric mosquito swatter bug zapper racket. This is an electric fly zapper racket that can be hung on the wall. The mesh surface of the racket is dense, which can prevent accidental touch. It can be handheld and used to kill mosquitoes or flies. You can also use the fly trap mode when there are flies but you can't find them. It can be folded like this to save space when during the winter. Household soft bristle cleaning brush. This soft bristle brush is so useful. The brush head can store cleaning liquid inside. Cover the lid and simply press a button behind the dispenser detergent. It is especially useful when used to clean the shoes. The bristles are moderately soft and can be used to clean clothes and carpets and all other things as well. Replaceable toilet cleaning brush. I really regret I didn't find this toilet brush earlier. The brush head is disposable and contains cleaning solution in it. Simply clip the brush head on the cleaning liquid will come out once the brush head contact with the water. The brush is curved, which makes it easier to clean all the corners of the toilet. Simply throw it away after use. Very convenient and clean. 8 plates portable juicer blender. This wireless juicer blender is so good. The mixer system has 8 plates and can blend all kinds of fruits and even ice cubes. You can use it to make smoothies or protein shakes or even frozen cocktails. It is rechargeable and portable. You can bring it anywhere to go. Just insert the straw to drink. Very convenient and useful. 720-degree faucet head. This faucet nose extender is so useful. Only take about 2 minutes to install. Rotate up to 360 degrees and spray water to your preferred angle. It has 2 water outlet switch modes. You can use it to wash your face or hair. Everything becomes so convenient. The water flows with soft bubble stream, which can minimize the water splashing. Portable blender juicer bottle. My girlfriend says she doesn't eat enough fruits, so I bought her this. The good news is she's eating fruits again. But the bad news is she won't let me try it. My biggest regret is not getting myself one. Toilet cleansing flowers. Look at those beautiful tiny flowers. All you need to do is to stick them to toilet and they will generate cleansing bubbles when water flushes. I don't need to clean the toilet by hands. Thanks to these cuties, all of my friends can't stop compliment the smell of my bathroom. Lint ball remover. I use this little gadget to remove the lint balls on my clothes every day before I go out. It is an upgraded version with 6-blade head and can remove lint balls very quickly. The metal surface is smooth and won't hurt your clothes. If you remove the handle, it becomes a lint roller. It is rechargeable and sustainable. All-in-one fast vegetable chopper. If you haven't used it, you will never believe that it can cut veggies so fast. It can not only shred, slice but also grind, and even faster than the chefs with 20 years of cooking experience. You can cut 2 or 3 potatoes or 3 cucumbers pieces at the same time. The suction cap at the bottom is stable and the strength is so amazing. It's also very easy to replace different kinds of plates, heads as well. Stainless steel beer bottle opener. This gadget is a magnetic bottle opener. Just place it on the bottle cap, press it down to the end and pull it off to open the bottle. The opener is small and portable, perfect for picnic, camping and other activities. Just put the cap back to the storage if you can't finish the whole bottle. Wireless mice cleaner. I finally found this wireless mice remover which not only lightweight but also has strong suction strength. It has an LED light which can show the battery usage in real time. I use it daily on all the beds and sofas at home. You will never imagine it can suck out so much dirt and mice. It has ultraviolet rays and can eliminate various bacteria when operating. It's beautiful and classy and a good choice as a gift as well. Links to all the gadgets in the description box.